Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to go ahead and connect Phantom Wallet to Raydium on phone. So what you do, you go to radium.io/swap, okay? And just say I understand, confirm. And what you mainly want to do is come at the top right, hit connect, and then you choose your wallet, okay? In this case, it's Phantom Wallet. And if you haven't already, you need to install Phantom Wallet. So go ahead and install this from the App Store. So you go ahead and click on download Phantom. It will open up your App Store. If you already have it installed, you just go ahead and open it up. So we'll come back here and we'll go back and say I've already installed, refresh page. And once it connects, right, it detects it, then it will actually be connected. So you hit connect, there you go ahead and do auto confirm, and then it will actually open up Phantom Wallet on your phone. Then all you need to do is just authenticate everything, okay, and just authorize the transactions. So every time you swap, you trade, okay, so you can see here, or stake on Raydium, Phantom will ask you to approve the transaction. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.